Alright, so I bought the Jetboil Zip. It holds 0.8 liters of water and boils water in about 2.5 minutes, so pretty fast as compared to my other stove that I've been working with. And we are gonna make mac and cheese and pasta alfredo tonight. So let's see how fast this stove actually boils first. You can kind of see the steam coming out of there. And it is already boiling. And it hasn't even been 2 minutes yet. So that is pretty cool. So in the time it took me to pour the 2 cups each of water in those bags, the Jetboil already cooled down enough to put it back in its little holster here. So I think that's pretty neat too. Heats up really fast, cools off fast as well. And now we just wait 12 to 15 minutes on these and we'll be ready to eat dinner. All right guys, what do you think? Are they good?
Yeah. Yes. I love the mac and cheese. I love the pasta.
They are both really good. But they do come with 2 oxygen absorbers in each bag instead of 1, like Mountain House. So dig around in your food a little bit before you put your hot water in it, because I definitely was expecting only 1. So I took out only 1. But it's okay. We're still eating it. We're alive.